Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint, black alloy rims, as well as our black leather interior. We have our dual sunroofs, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power activated liftgate, and reverse camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Chevrolet Traverse. We'll take a look at some of the interior features, starting off with our door panel. We have our soft touch black leather with copper stitching and perforated leather underneath. Chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, and memory seat option. Below we have our window and mirror adjustment. Bose speaker, power liftgate controls, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment with lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have our interior dimmer switch, daytime running lights, and fog lights. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for that screen are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left we have our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the wheels wrapped in black leather with grips up top. We have our push start off to the left. Infotainment screen, which features our audio phone, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, users for the vehicle, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We also have our rear camera view and overhead view. And below we'll see the option to fold up our infotainment screen, revealing behind a full felt-line cubby. Along there we also have our radio controls. Below that our dual zone climate controls and heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, as well as our fan speed lighting in the middle. Under that we have two USB ports, auxiliary input, SD card slot, and 12-volt charging port, with our remote charging port underneath. Gear selection stock, two cup holders, and we have our electric park brake, as well as our lane departure warning, our traction control and all-wheel drive system can cycle between two-wheel drive and four-wheel or all-wheel drive. We also have our off-road and trailering modes. Padded leather center console lid with our perforated leather and copper stitching. Inside of that we have plenty of storage room and removable tray, as well as a light. The front seats are featured in our black leather with copper stitching, and then perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And again, these are heated and cooled front seats. We have our rear view mirror, which doubles as a rear view camera to offer a 300% better view of what's behind us. Above that we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, and 3 garage door openers, and a dual sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the Traverse, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with our red striping and Chevrolet badge center caps. We also have our Traverse badging featured in black with red on the sides to create a sort of 3D look. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles with chrome lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles. Rear privacy tint. And around to the back of the vehicle, we have our blacked out taillights, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet emblems, dual exhaust, Traverse all-wheel drive badging, power activated liftgate. Inside we have plenty of storage room, as well as the handles to fold down our rear 60/40. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Traverse, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, leather trim. We also have our window switch, cup holder, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls, as well as our rear heated seat options, 2 USB ports, and 3-prong outlet, as well as storage underneath. The rear seats are featured in a 2-bucket seat pattern with our leather and perforated leather and copper stitching. We also have our fold-down leather armrests, and in the far rear a 60/40 split bench. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.